Our next product looks like a safe, and it'll also keep you safe, because this is the Godrej UV product, the Godrej UV case. And once again, this is one of those products that is there for you to put in all the stuff that is coming in from outside and actually disinfect it all. Once again, the underlying technology is UV. Right? Ultraviolet is what is being used to disinfect viruses and germs. But Godrej makes a claim that many others cannot, that they actually have certification that it actually works. So we'll talk about all of that. We'll show you the product. Like we said, it looks like a safe. We'll talk about a lot more to do with the certification and exactly what it really tells us.
UV sanitizing boxes are popping up now more than ever during the pandemic. People are more aware of what they touch, and of course, while hand hygiene is paramount, disinfecting objects is important too. Using UV light to disinfect claims to kill 99% of pathogens and the DNA of viruses. Today we have Godrej's new UV case with us to test and see what it brings to this segment. Godrej is known for their security solutions, and this safe-like iron box doesn't stray too far from the design DNA of the company. But don't mistake it for a safe or even an oven. It's very much a UVC disinfection case. There are 11 watts UVC tubes on the inside, and there's a removable tray on which items can be placed like phone, watch, keys, money, and even packages. Once sealed shut, turn on the switch to let the UV light do its job. According to Godrej, 4 minutes of exposure is good enough to disinfect one side of an object. There is an auto cutoff in case the box is opened in between a cycle. The box is pretty rugged and UV light does not escape from this. There are aluminium composite panels inside that prevent this as well. We got this 30-litre one to test, but Godrej actually has this in 20, 40 and 54 litres. This 30-litre one is pretty spacious, and other than daily items, it might be useful for shop owners. The time cannot be set on the 20 and 40-litre variants, only on the 54-litre one, which we found surprising. And while we can keep fruits, vegetables and all our stuff inside, just how accurate is the Godrej UVC case? Well, Godrej claims the light can kill up to 99.99% of germs and can reduce the transmission of the COVID-19 virus. The box has been certified by CSIR, which is an ICMR impaneled laboratory. The size is pretty big, but once installed, the sturdy device can destroy the DNA or RNA of viruses. Coming to the price, the 20-litre one starts under 10k at 8,500 rupees, the 40-litre one is priced at 13,999 rupees, and the largest 54-litre variant is priced at 21,999 rupees. The 20-litre variant will prove to be good enough for daily items, and you won't have to spend too much money. But there are many other options in the UVC disinfection segment now, and we will keep reviewing them for you right here.